Have you ever found a piano pattern that's so much fun that you just can't stop playing it? You sit down at the piano, start playing, and suddenly you've completely lost track of time. That's exactly what happened to me when I discovered today's pattern. Before we get started, you can download the free PDF for today's lesson using the link in the description below. And if you are new here, I am Melanie. I studied music education, and on this channel you will learn how to play piano with chords, how to improvise freely and create beautiful music without feeling stuck to classical sheet music. And if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And now let's jump right in. Let's begin with the left hand. Place your hand like if you would play a C major triad. And now we will start with the C with your little finger, and then you play the two upper notes together. Yeah, like this. We are counting 1, 2, 3, and then you repeat this 1, 2, 3. Then you move down your little finger to the B. And you keep playing the E and the G, but this time with the index finger and the thumb, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then move your little finger down from the B to the A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you move your little finger down to the G, yeah? And then again, E and G on top. And you really have to practice this a few times, and it's very important that you use your sustain pedal. And we will begin with the C here. Pedal goes down. And now, as soon as you push down the little finger here on the B, the pedal goes up and down again. Now, at the same moment where you press down the A, pedal goes up and down again, okay? Now, same thing with the G. As soon as you press down the G, pedal goes up and down again. And from the beginning, yeah? Yeah? So every time when you play a new bass note with your little finger, then you have to change the pedal. And once it starts flowing, it's actually a lot of fun to play, and naturally this pattern makes you want to add something with the right hand. So let's do exactly that. Just place your hand on a C major chord, yeah? And look, here's the middle C, so we are taking one octave above the middle C, yeah, where the notes just sound a little bit higher, and then we will begin. We will keep the right hand extremely simple. We will just play the notes of the C major triad up and down, but each note twice, like a little melody, like... Yeah? And this we will combine now with the left hand. So when we are starting, we are playing the C and the C together, like 1, 2, 3. Then we repeat it. Then we are going to the next triad note, to the E, and in the left hand to the B. And again. Then we are taking the G, yeah, which is the fifth of the C major triad, and with your left hand you go to the A. And again. And now you go back to the E in your right hand, and in your left hand you play the G. And again. So let's repeat this all together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And again. Wonderful. Now let's make it a little bit more interesting. Now instead of repeating the same note, we will move to the next triad note every time a new measure begins. Like this. Yeah, and together with the left hand it sounds like this. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, and I think this almost sounds like a little song. And by the way, if you haven't downloaded the free PDF yet, make sure to grab it from the description below. You can print it out and keep all of today's exercises in one place. And now let's continue. Now we will create our own melodies, and this is where the real fun begins. Instead of following a fixed order, we will start choosing the chord tones freely now. Okay, and look, here you see I notated these X notes, okay? And that means that you will choose now freely every measure a new note of the triad, okay? You can use the C, you can insert an E, you can insert a G, yeah, like you want, and there's no fixed order. Just try out some examples. Okay, I will play you an example how this could sound. So here I'm starting with the C, then I go to the G, then let's say to the E, why not again to the E, C, C, E, yeah? So this is really beautiful, right? But I could choose another order of the three notes, okay? Maybe like this. Yeah, for example. Or let's say a third example could be yeah, it's simple like this. I mean, look how beautiful this sounds, and there's nothing that can go wrong because you are safe when you are taking one of these three notes. Okay, so every combination creates a slightly different mood, and that's exactly how improvisation begins. Not by thinking too much about it, but by just exploring. And that makes so much fun. And really, please, don't read these examples from the sheet music as if you were learning a classical piece. Just try to get the idea behind it, yeah? And just fill in these marked notes and try to come up with different combinations. Now let's try another rhythm. We will use quarter notes now in the right hand. And we will play C, E, E, C, E, E, C, E, E, C, E, E. In every measure we are doing the same, and then together with the left hand this will sound like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right. And now we will begin to improvise. You see the X notes again, but this time we have quarter notes. That means there is so much more going on now, but we will keep it simple and you can just choose one of the three notes, you will fill into these quarter notes, okay? And yeah, just let us look how this could sound. Maybe you are playing something like this. Wonderful, right? And I think this really starts to flow. But now we will create again more space, because to keep things from becoming too busy, let's now add some space. And as you can see, we have one measure where we play quarter notes, yeah? And then here we just keep everything calm, that we have time to breathe, okay? I will show you how this can sound. So we are playing with the right hand 1, 2, 3, and then you just let it ring and you count again 1, 2, 3. Yeah, then again 1, 2, 3, and the last note you just let it ring, and you let it ring during the next whole measure. Okay, together this will sound like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you can try again different combinations of the triad notes, okay? For example, you could play something like this. And again. Yeah, and maybe another example, we can create even more contrast. Just let the notes ring a little bit longer, like this. Beautiful, right? And I think this is a great opportunity to create contrast, because when you are playing in every bar something like yeah, I mean, it's beautiful, but when you are doing this all the time, then it gets boring. And when you then just alternate a little bit more, yeah, that you are playing something like this. Yeah, then this will going to sound very beautiful. Now that you are comfortable to improvise with the three triad notes of C major, now let's add some more notes, okay? Since we are in the key of C major, you can use any white keys, yeah? Like you are completely free, you can use any white key. And then you can just start exploring the notes of the scale, yeah? Maybe let's just take these three notes here. Yeah, or you can also go deeper here. Maybe that you are playing. Wonderful, right? Or maybe let's choose some higher notes. You will be surprised how beautiful this sounds. And now comes the best part. Now we will try to improvise more freely, and you can mix everything you've learned, yeah? That you are taking longer notes and then the quarter notes, and you can improvise with the chord tones, or you can improvise with the C major scale, yeah? Simply enjoy making music, because the most beautiful moments often happen when we stop trying to be perfect and just start playing. So you see, here we only have the left hand, and with the right hand you are totally free, and you can just try to play something beautiful, right? Yeah, and when you want to come to an end, then you can just play a C major triad. Yeah, and you can use any inversion. You can use a root position, or you can use first inversion or second inversion, yeah, like you want. And this will sound every time like an ending, yeah? Yeah, or you can play an arpeggio. Like you want. And if you would like to learn more about free piano playing and understand the system behind improvising with chords and patterns, make sure to check out my online course, Modern Piano 1. Inside the course, I show you step by step how free piano playing works, with a clear structure and practical exercises, because traditional piano lessons often teach us how to play music from sheet music, but not necessarily how to sit down and how to create your own music. And that's exactly what Modern Piano 1 is all about. You will find more information about the course in the video description below. And I hope you enjoyed today's musical journey. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to learn another beautiful piano pattern like this, make sure to watch this video next. I think you are going to love it, and I will see you there.